Currently on the dyno with the SS right now. This is what it's making with a straight pump gas, no E85. This is what it made before on full E85 with cooler air. So 404 is the stock cam with all the bolt-ons in E85. 482 is the new cam on pump gas. And then 500 is on, it was like 60% ethanol. So we made the same horsepower that time, but we made more torque everywhere from the start. And for you internet guys that want those internet Facebook numbers, oh wow. Oh wow. Click of a button. Oh wow, we're back to 500. Here's the final numbers in standard. Red is the old cam, blue is the new cam, and green. Did 2 runs back to back. We're still going with it. Here's the standard correction for those of you used to Facebook dyno numbers. So here you go. The red is the old cam with the heads on E85. The blue is the new cam on pump 93. Green is about 70% ethanol. And then the orange is what I just did today. It's the next day. I just played with the tune a little bit more. I got another 10 horsepower out of it, 10 foot-pounds of torque.